naniniwala ko kayo, pero sa aking design, maniwala mo kayo o hindi, akin yun. Gotta make sure everything is ready before Mr. Yap comes. The designs, the numbers, okay? Vera! Naliligaw ka yata.
Oh no, this is exactly where I want to be.
Okay. You know, if you're looking for a job, and I'm sorry to say, hindi ka bagay dito. We don't hire social climbing whores here.
Oh my dear, evil, aging stepmother. I'm not just looking for any kind of job. I already have one. Now I want yours. Gusto kong i-announce mo sa susunod na board meeting na ako na ang magiging bagong presidente ng FGCP. What? Are you high? Ba't ko naman gagawin yun? Because I know your dirty little secret. And I'm not talking about that stunt you played yesterday. Which reminds me, you will be receiving a subpoena soon. I'm talking about another dirty little secret by the name of Jelay Agustin. How do you think the board will react pag nalaman nilang macro ang collection mo? They might put that presidency on a silver.
Kabila! Kabila! Ay, kabila! Ay, ko nakatawa gano'n. Hindi ka balik. Ah! Nabalik! Nabalik!
Ate Angela, simula na ng paniningin natin. Well, she's back.